Today I'll show you how to make this elegant no-stretch bangle bracelet using 6mm gemstones and fishing line only, no tools and no crimps. This design is lightweight, comfortable, and keeps its shape, so it's easy to wear throughout the day. You can wear it on its own for a clean look, or stack multiple bracelets to create different styles. By changing the gemstones and seed bead combinations, you can create many different looks. I'll be making this amethyst bracelet as a demo today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's take a look at the materials for today's bracelet. For about a 7.5-inch amethyst bracelet, you'll need 29 pieces of 6mm amethyst beads, size 11 seed beads, 6 pounds fishing line. You can also use 4-pound fishing line if you prefer. I'll refer to the fishing line as thread during the tutorial. Materials for the other color variations are listed in the description below. Alright, let's get started. A bangle bracelet needs to pass over your hand first, so you'll want to measure the widest part of your hand, not just your wrist. Tuck your thumb into your palm and measure around the widest part of your knuckles using a soft measuring tape. For me, that measurement is just under 7.5 inches, so that's the length I'll aim for when making my bracelet. As you work, make the bracelet close to your target length and try it on before locking everything in, so you can make small adjustments if needed. Now let's cut the thread and begin. Cut the thread to about 7.5 times the length of your bracelet. For my bracelet, I'm cutting the thread to about 55 inches. During the tutorial, we'll pause to check the remaining thread length, and I'll show you how to add fishing line in the middle of the project if your thread isn't long enough to finish. If it helps, you can color the tips of the thread so they're easier to see. Pick up one amethyst bead and place it at the center of the thread. Hold one end of the thread in each hand. Pick up 3 seed beads on each thread. Pick up one amethyst bead with one thread, then pass the other thread through the same bead from the opposite side. Pull both threads. Make sure both threads are the same length. Add 3 seed beads on each thread again. Then add one amethyst bead and cross both threads through it. Pull both threads. Repeat this step until you reach your desired length. For my bracelet, my target length is about 7.5 inches, and I'm using 29 amethyst beads. Once you've added your last 6mm bead, come back here and let's check the bracelet length together. Welcome back! Measure the bracelet length, and if it looks good, let's temporarily connect the ends to check if it can pass over your hand. Add 3 seed beads on each thread. Pass one thread through the very first amethyst bead on the same side, then pass the other thread through the same bead from the opposite side. Pull both threads to connect the ends. Now it's time to check the bangle length. Hold the loose thread ends tightly and carefully try the bangle on. This fits well, so I'll go with this length. If the fit isn't right, adjust the length by adding or removing beads. Then reconnect the ends and try it on again. Now, before you lock in the bangle, check the remaining thread length. If each thread is at least your bracelet length plus 5 inches, you can skip the next section and move on to bangle part 2. If each thread is shorter than that, please watch the next section, adding fishing line in the middle before continuing. In this section, I'll show you how to add a new thread using the carnelian bracelet as an example. First, connect the bracelet ends the same way as before. Pass one thread through the next 3 seed beads, and do the same on the other side. Then pass one thread through the next carnelian bead. When both threads meet, tie double knots. Pass one thread back through the carnelian bead and pull tight so the knots are hidden inside. Repeat this step one more time to secure the knot. Then pass each thread through the next 3 seed beads again. Before trimming the old threads, prepare a new thread. Add at least 5 inches to your bracelet length, then double that number. For my bracelet, 7.5 inches plus 5 inches is 12.5 inches, and doubled, that comes to about 25 inches. Cut the new thread to that length or slightly longer. Next, choose a carnelian bead, away from the old threads so you don't place multiple knots in the same area. Pass the new thread through that bead, making sure it sits at the center of the thread. Then pass each thread through the next 3 seed beads. At this point, the new thread has been added and you can trim off the old threads. Now you're ready to move on to the next section, Bangle Part 2. Alright, let's start Bangle Part 2. If your bracelet is still open, connect the ends the same way as before. Now both threads are coming out of the very first amethyst bead. Pass each thread through the next 3 seed beads. If you added a new thread earlier, you can start from here. Hold one thread and pick up 2 seed beads. Then pass the thread through the next 3 seed beads you added earlier. add 2 more seed beads on the same thread and again pass it through the next 3 seed beads. Repeat the same pattern all the way along the bangle. Continue until you reach the last gap, then come back here. Now you have 1 gap left to fill. Add 2 seed beads on the thread, then pass it through the next 3 seed beads and stop there. This side is now fully filled with seed beads. Now hold the other thread and repeat the same steps along the bangle. Add 2 seed beads, then pass the thread through the next 3 seed beads and continue this pattern. At the last gap, add 2 seed beads and pass through the next 3 seed beads, then stop. Now both threads are coming out of seed beads at the same level on both sides of the same amethyst bead. Pass 1 thread through that amethyst bead. When both threads meet, tie double knots. Pass 1 thread back through the amethyst bead and pull tight so the knots are hidden inside. Now both threads are coming out of the amethyst in opposite directions. Pass each thread through the 3 seed beads you added earlier in Bangle Part 1. Make sure to follow the existing thread path. Both threads will now come out of the seed beads on either side of the next amethyst bead. Pass 1 thread through the next amethyst bead. When both threads meet, tie double knots. Pass 1 thread back through the amethyst bead and pull tight so the knots are hidden inside. Now both threads are coming out of the amethyst in opposite directions. Next, take 1 thread and pass it through the next 3 seed beads you added earlier in Bangle Part 1. Then trim off the excess thread. Repeat the same step on the other side. That's it, your bangle is finished. I hope you enjoyed making this bangle with me, and I'll see you in the next project.